If you want to build real strength and long-lasting stamina, you don't need a complicated routine. You just need the right exercises done consistently. Today, I'm going to share 3 powerful movements that will help you get stronger, improve endurance, and boost overall performance. Exercise 1. Squats. Squats are one of the best full-body strength builders. They target your legs, glutes, and core while also increasing your heart rate. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, keep your chest up, and lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Push back up through your heels. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Squats not only build muscle, but also improve stamina because they activate large muscle groups. Exercise 2. Push UPS. Push-ups are perfect for upper body strength and endurance. They work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core at the same time. Keep your body straight, lower yourself slowly, and push back up with control. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. If regular push-ups are too easy, try decline or diamond push-ups for more intensity. Exercise 3. Burpees. Burpees are excellent for combining strength and cardio. Start standing, drop into a push-up position, perform 1 push-up, jump back up, and explode into the air. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. This exercise pushes your heart and muscles at the same time, increasing stamina fast. Stay consistent, focus on proper form, and challenge yourself every week. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a workout. Let's get stronger together.